Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a therapeutic henna hair mask tutorial for you guys. So this is the henna hair dye I'll be using for today's video, along with some Adore hair color in the color Orange Breeze. And I'll be using this just to add some hues to the henna. And of course I'll be using the Kiss Colors Titanium and Cajun Spice. So here is the color that I mixed. I used a couple of pumps of Giovanni's conditioner along with the henna hair dye and the remaining of my Cajun Spice, and along the way I wanted more of an orange tone. I didn't really I wanted more of a red base with orange hues, and I just added that orange Adore as I go along. And one thing about this henna, it doesn't require any bleach, any harsh chemicals. So all it is depositing pigment, semi-permanent, you know. And the henna is a wonderful protein treatment as well that defines the curls. So I'm just mixing and showing you guys, you know, the shade that just getting it to my liking, getting it to the correct shade that you want your hair to be. And with this henna, it's just gonna sit perfectly. So now I'm just showing you, I'm taking a shirt that I don't use anymore and I'm using this as a cape to prevent the henna from reaching down and, you know, getting everywhere. This hair mask is color depositing. Not only is it that, it strengthens, it seals split ends. Henna is known to really repair the hair and really seal the cuticle and provide a wonderful shine to the hair. So as you can see here, I'm just parting my hair into 4 sections. Just so I can get an easier and even application. Now before I apply, I will tell you guys this. I did have to go in and it took me 2 bowls of this mixture to cover my entire head. 2 bowls. So just keep that in mind when you buy your henna and your Adore color. If you need more, don't be afraid. It's always better to have more color than not to have, you know, to have too little. And it's just a regular Saturday. I'm just chilling, you know. Decided to do a henna hair mask. I really love how the color looks in the sunlight. It's nothing too crazy, but just that perfect auburny orange color I was going for. I have dyed my hair red in the past, but this shade is a bit different. I'm going for more of a red, brown based color with orange hue, so more towards the orange. And it's just fun, like just, you know, playing around with your hair and seeing what colors you like. The thing with henna is it can't really be removed now. The pigment does stay, but you know, you will have that new growth, and you can retouch your new growth as time goes on, or you can apply an Adore color on top to go to a darker shade. You won't be able to go lighter, but you'll definitely be able to go darker. So here I'm showing you my color. The color does take a while to mix. I did spend some time really, and it takes a lot of arm work, really making sure your color has no lumps. You want no lumps, you want it smooth. You want it completely smooth. And you want that shade to your liking. So as you can see here, I'm just in love with the consistency already, and I'm just applying it. As you see here, the color is gorgeous. You can see the color already. It's a beautiful auburn. You know, you can see the brown and red in there really well. And it's gonna have those golden orange tones. What that orange Adora does, it's not gonna be orange. It's just gonna add that golden hue that I'm looking for. So now I'm just putting my hair in a bun, preparing to put it in a plastic cap. And I'm gonna allow this to process for 3 to 4 hours. Then I'm going to rinse thoroughly and apply no products. So these are the results from the mask. You can really see that color. It's just a nice hue, and this color does take 3 to 4 days to develop. It will become brighter as the days go on. So keep that in mind when doing henna color. It does develop over time, 3 to 4 days. But yes, thank you guys for tuning in and enjoying this tutorial. I'll see you in my next video. Take care.